Hello children, welcome to the classroom. Take a look around you. What do you see? You could be sitting on a chair surrounded by your classroom's four walls. You could also be alone in your house right now. What is common? All the things you see, even the wind you feel with your skin, are made of matter.
But wait a minute. What is matter?
Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. So, we all know that the things around us takes up space and mass. On the other hand, is how much matter you have in an object. You can also say its weight. Come, let's see.
So, for example, say you have one big red ball and one small blue ball. Both balls are made of matter. They both take up space and have mass. But since the red ball is bigger, that means it has more mass than the smaller ball. It also takes up more space. It can barely fit in your palm. In comparison, the blue ball is smaller, meaning it has less mass and takes up less space. You can hold it easily in your hand, unlike the red ball. You're able to hold them in your hands, right? That's because they're in solid states.
You see, matter comes in different states: solid, liquid, or gas. Matter that are in solid state are the things that you can touch. For example,
like the walls of your house, your classmate's hand, your ball pen, your notebooks, and the bed you lie down in to sleep. It's soft, yes, but it's still a solid object.
Now it's time for you to answer. Name the two solid objects shown here. Now the second state of matter, that is liquid. Matter that's in liquid state can be the water you drink and used to take a bath with. Not only that,
it's also what makes up the seas you swim in when you go to the beach, and the oceans where the dolphins and sea turtles live. They are fluid.
Means the liquid can flow. One more interesting fact, they don't have shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are placed in. Now it's time for third state. The very air you breathe in is also made of matter. You can't always see it, but it's there. It's gas, for example.
Wind is also an example of matter in the gas state. You can't see it, but when there are storms, you can feel the strong wind it brings. Air, like liquid and solid, has mass and can also take up space. Just imagine a balloon. You fill it up with air. The air inside it is taking up space. That's why it expanded. Of course, a balloon filled with air has more mass than an empty balloon, because it's bigger and is taking up more space than the empty one.
The third state of matter is gas. Has no definite shape and has no weight, or you can say mass.
Again, matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. It is everything around us. That's why it comes in many forms. From solid, hard and soft objects, to liquid, like water, and gas, like air or wind.
Now, it's time for a quiz. It's quiz time. Can you tell if these objects are solid, liquid, or gas? Look the objects. First is sandwich. Second is juice. Third is a pencil. Fourth is smoke. And The fifth is coffee. Hurry up, children. Think and answer whether the objects were solid, liquid or gas.
Did you know water has 3 different states? Solid, liquid, and gas. Now isn't that great? Solid is ice. Liquid is water. Gas is vapor when water gets hotter. So let's learn about all 3 states. Start with solid. When water becomes really, really cold, it turns to ice and is too cold to hold. Glaciers and lollies are made from ice. Ice cubes in a cold drink, very nice. Wow, that's amazing. How about when water's a liquid? When water's a liquid, it flows and flows. Water the flowers in the garden with the hose. Take a bath or swim in the pool. Have a drink of water, it's really cool. We've heard about solid and liquid, which just leaves gas. When it gets really hot, it turns to steam. Watch a grown-up make a cup of tea. You'll see the vapor steaming right out, climbing to the ceiling from the kettle spout. Now you know water has 3 different states. Solid, liquid, and gas. Now isn't that great? Solid is ice. Liquid is water. Gas is vapor when water gets hotter.
Thank you and post your answers.